Stereoisomerism and its role in molecular nomenclature. This presentation explores the importance of stereoisomerism in molecular nomenclature, detailing the systematic naming rules of organic compounds including functional groups, substituents, and unsaturation. This introduces the concept of stereoisomerism, highlighting its significance in the naming of organic compounds. This emphasizes the need for a systematic approach to naming, utilizing the IUPAC rules to avoid confusion and ensure clear communication in chemistry. Introduction to nomenclature. Nomenclature is essential for identifying compounds. The IUPAC provides systematic naming rule. Unique names prevent confusion in science. Understanding nomenclature is vital for chemistry students. This emphasizes the importance of using a systematic approach to naming chemical compounds as provided by the IUPAC. This systematic approach prevents confusion and misunderstanding, enabling clear and accurate communication among scientists. Mastering this naming rule is essential for all chemistry students to effectively learn and communicate within the field. Functional groups overview. Functional groups dictate chemical reactivity. Common functional groups have unique suffixes. Understanding functional group is crucial for accurate naming. This introduces the concept of functional groups, which are specific groups of atoms within a molecule that dictate its chemical reactivity. Each common functional group has a unique suffix used in its name, making understanding these groups crucial for accurate naming of organic compounds. The hierarchy of functional groups. The hierarchy of functional groups affects naming. Higher priority groups dictate the suffix used in names. Lower priority groups are treated as substituents. Accurate nomenclature relies on understanding functional group hierarchy, and this explains that the order of importance of functional groups within a molecule influences the naming process. Higher priority groups determine the main suffix used in the name, while lower priority groups are treated as substituents and included as prefixes. Understanding this hierarchy is crucial for accurate and consistent naming. Understanding unsaturation. Unsaturation indicates double or triple bonds in molecule. Specific terms are used to indicate unsaturation in names. Understanding unsaturation is crucial for naming and predicting behavior. And this explains the concept of unsaturation, which indicates the presence of double or triple bonds within a molecule. Specific terms like ENE and YNE are used to denote these types of bonds, and understanding unsaturation is crucial for predicting how molecule will react chemically. Naming the parent chain. The parent chain is the longest continuous carbon chain, including functional groups, is essential when identifying the parent chain. The parent chain influences the overall naming process. Proper identification of the parent chain is crucial for systematic naming, and this outlines the process of identifying the parent chain, which is longest continuous sequence of carbon atoms in a molecule. Functional groups must be included within the parent chain, and its length and structure significantly impact the overall naming process. The 5 parts of a name. Chemical names consist of essential parts. Stereoisomerism indicates spatial configuration. Substituents are groups attached to the parent chain. Unsaturation and functional groups defines reactivity, and this introduces the five essential components of a chemical name: the parent chain, functional group, substituents, unsaturation, and stereochemistry. Each part provides specific information about the structure and reactivity of the molecule, contributing to a comprehensive description. Identifying substituents. Substituents are groups attached to the parent chain. Proper naming of substituents is necessary of accurate nomenclature. Different substituents can significantly alter properties. Understanding naming conventions for substituents is essential, and this emphasizes the importance of proper identifying and naming substituents, which are groups of atoms attached to the parent chain. Accurately naming these substituents is crucial for precise chemical communication, as different substituents can significantly affect the properties of the molecule. Understanding stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism involves different spatial arrangements. Cis or trans isomers affect properties and reactivity. Enantiomers are non-superimposable mirror image. Understanding stereoisomerism is crucial for naming. This introduces the concept of stereoisomerism, which involves molecules with the same molecular formula but different spatial arrangement of their atoms. It highlights the impact of different orientations around double bonds or cis or trans isomers and the existence of non-superposable mirror image. Stereoisomerism in detail. Identifying cis-trans configuration is essential. Stereocenters are important for naming compounds. Clear communication in science relies on proper naming. Naming stereoisomers impacts partial applications, and this delves deeper into the concept of stereoisomerism, emphasizing the need to accurately determine the cis or trans configurations of substituents around double bonds and identify stereocenters in the molecule. Proper naming of stereoisomers is crucial for clear communication in scientific research and partial applications. Numbering the parent chain. Proper numbering indicates the position of functional groups. The lowest numbers should be assigned to functional groups and substituents. Understanding numbering rules is essential for accurate naming. Numbering for follow a hierarchy based on functional groups, and this provides a clear explanation of how to correctly number the parent chain, ensuring that functional groups and substituents are assigned the lowest possible numbers. Following specific rule for tiebreaker and prioritizing lowest number for substituents is essential for accurate and consistent naming. And common naming conventions. Common names simplify communication in chemistry. Understanding common names enhances navigation of chemical literature. Common names are often used in everyday language. Familiarity with common names is beneficial for students and professionals, and this introduces common naming conventions used in chemistry, which simplify communication and aid in navigation chemical literature. Understanding three common names is beneficial for both students and professionals as they navigate the world of chemistry. Going from name to structure. Drawing structures from names is often easier. Systematic identification of components lead to clarity. This skill enhances understanding of priorities and reactivity. Visualization of compounds aids in learning, and this explores the process of drawing in structure of a molecule from its chemical name. demonstrating how systematically identifying each component leads to a clear and accurate presentation. This skill enhances the ability to understand the compound's properties and reactivity. Summary of key points. Stereoisomerism is crucial for accurate naming. Functional groups dictate reactivity and naming conventions. Systematic nomenclature ensures clarity in communication. Mastery of nomenclature enhances predictive abilities.